Many of us are occasionally bothered by headaches and wonder how to get rid of them. It is a nuisance when someone has one. Rather than resorting to medicines, it is always better to try natural methods to get rid of headache. In this video, 25 natural remedies are suggested for relieving from the pain of headache. So do watch the video till the end as any one of them can be useful to you. And please do subscribe the channel. So try these tips and get better feeling fast. So for the first one, if you have a migraine, try cold pack on your forehead. Then the second is if you have a headache from tension, try having a heating pad on your forehead. Then dim the lights in the room which you are in, as flashy lights causes more headache. Then try not to chew anything, not even chewing gum, because these give extra pressure to the jaws and this causes headache. Then hydrate yourself with water. Water is a very easy way to relieve from headache. So try that. Then have some tea, coffee, or something with a little caffeine in it. Then try doing some massage with simple, with very light massage. You can try it on your own, or you can tell anyone else to make a massage on your forehead. Then practice some relaxation. Forget about all your stress and do practice relaxation. Then take some ginger. Ginger, you can take it in tea, or you can even have powdered ginger with water. Then take magnesium supplements. Then stop intake of alcohol at any cost. Don't go for alcohol as the hangovers are really very bad. So stop doing that. Then sleep deprivation causes headache. So sleep well, take adequate amount of sleep always. Then try a B complex vitamin as they have protective effect against headache. So you can ask your doctor for any vitamin B capsule or a tablet and you can take that. Then try acupuncture as this practice is linked to a reduction in headaches. Then try to relax with yoga. There are many asanas in yoga in which you can really get relaxation from headache. So try doing that. Then be strong odors and perform and perfumes may also cause headache. So try to get relief from them. So avoid them. So engage yourself in some physical activity and also get some exercises. Don't think that in headache, how can I do exercises? No, this will give extra amount of oxygen to your body and you will feel well. Have some coconut and mineral water if you have headache related to dehydration. This will rehydrate your body and you will feel very relaxed. Then take a rest for some time if possible. Keep aside all your work, all your books, and take a rest. Take a small nap if possible. Then avoid salt as it also causes headache. You may be having a high blood pressure at the time of headache, so avoid salt at that time. Then you can go for acupressure. Then essential oils such as lavender is recommended as a remedy. So you can put the oil or take a massage from that oil on your forehead. Then herbal supplements like butterbur and feverfew are few herbs that may be useful to reduce migraine. Then powder of cinnamon sticks is a natural remedy for headache. So you can make this powder. You can put it in tea, or you can even snuff the powder. It is really very helpful. Then the same way you can also inhale the smell of crushed cloves. Make a powder from it. Have it either in tea or you can snuff it. It's really helpful. You can even have chamomile tea. So these were some of the remedies to get cured from headache. But if still it persists, then over the counter drugs are always available. You can ask your doctor whatever the prescription is, you can take them. So you should not avoid headaches as it may be a sign of an underlying issue. So always keep in touch with your doctor. So that's it folks. Please do subscribe my channel and give the video a big like. Thank you.